Hello students, struggling to keep up with lectures and drowning in messy notes? Meet Quickler, your AI-powered study buddy brought to you by Team Try Meca. Just hit record and it transcribes, summarizes and organizes your lectures for you. No more scrambling to jot things down or spending hours rewriting notes. Everything is neatly stored and easy to review whenever you need it. Smarter studying, less stress. Give Quick Learn a try and make learning effortless. Let's take a demo. Pakistan is a country in South Asia. It shares borders with India, China, Afghanistan, and Iran. The capital city is Islamabad, while Karachi is the largest city. The official language is Urdu, and the national language is also Urdu. But many people speak Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, and Balochi. It takes few seconds. So here is the complete summary that we have just spoke. Thank you.